Hi everyone! Bought a pair of shorts, but they don't fit right, the pockets bulge out, and the length looks boring? Don't rush to set them aside. Just a quick refashion, and you won't even recognize your shorts. Today, we'll show you how to easily reshape the pockets and add stylish cuffs. Let's dive right in. First, we need to undo some seams. Look, there are tight bar tacks at the top and bottom of the pockets. Here is a crucial tip. To avoid tearing the delicate knit and leaving holes, we will only remove the top bar tack and leave the bottom one alone. Next, gently seam rip the waistband right above the pocket and a small section of the side seam. Now let's draft a new gorgeous shape. We want to make a rounded pocket opening, just like on your favorite jeans. Measure 6 centimeters along the top edge, 11 centimeters down, and draw a smooth curve. To make both pockets perfectly symmetrical, pin the halves together, add a ½ centimeter seam allowance, and cut. Look at how the silhouette transforms right away. Stitch the pocket opening along the new line. Quick tip! I put a size 75 super stretch needle on the machine so the delicate knit doesn't skip stitches. Turn the pocket right side out, carefully pop out the corner, and top stitch along the edge. This keeps the pocket opening lying flat so it will never roll out. No need for notches on the seam allowance. The knit is stretchy and lays flawlessly. Now let's reassemble the side seam, stitch it closed, and finish the raw edge with a zigzag stitch or a serger. Then add a neat top stitch 5 millimeters from the seam. Now watch how we secure the side part of the pocket. To avoid messing with that bottom bar tack and risking the fabric, we simply top stitch the pocket piece near the side seam. turns out super sturdy and looks incredibly clean. Time to put the waistband back. Stitch it back on, gently stretching it as you sew, so the knit stays flat. Finish the inside seam allowance with a zigzag Wow, the first task is complete. Instead of plain inseam pockets, we now have stylish, rounded jean-style pockets. Nothing bulges out, and it looks store-bought. Now let's make the bottom of the shorts much more interesting. We'll shorten them by just 1 centimeter and add a neat cuff. Unravel the old factory hem. Fold the edge along the original needle holes to create a 3 centimeter hem. And sew with a zigzag stitch. Give the hem a good press, then fold the cuff up to the right side by 2 centimeters. To keep it from unfolding, make quick machine tacks at the side seams and front, and secure it with a few invisible hand stitches at the back. And that's it. Our refashion is completely finished. Just look, the shorts have a whole new look now. The rounded pockets and neat cuffs made the style so much more interesting and flattering. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel, and check out our other clothing refashion lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.